how fast would I have to be able to solve this in front of our friends here for it to be impressive? 2 seconds? If you can do anything in 2 seconds, well done. That is impressive. That is impressive.
You're a male.
6 seconds. That's awesome. High five. Thanks, Reggie. Do you want to dance for us now? That'd be a good time. You know what? I am a male, and I should be able to do anything in 2 seconds. So, here we go. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2 seconds. There we go. The cube is solved just for you. Normally you don't get an applause in 2 seconds, but thank you.